What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make all my money in meme coins, because it is not what most people think. I am not trading meme coins all day, but I am launching them instead. This strategy has made me millions of dollars in the past year, and barely anyone is using it right away. That is why it's so unsaturated. In this video, I'm breaking it all down so you can follow along step by step and make this kind of money for yourself. This phantom wallet was not built by luck. It was built by launching meme coins on repeat every single day consistently. Watch closely, I will break down everything in today's video. A lot of people lose money in this space because they trade meme coins. They buy in, and after a couple seconds, bro, they get dumped by the dev of these projects. That is why high level traders and KOLs are starting the dev now, because it's low risk and it's high rewarding. And honestly, bro, it is kind of fun, bro, because launching coins is like fucking, it's like if you're hacking, bro. You're launching your coins, it goes up, and then you just dump it. It's pretty fucking cool. Now, when you trade meme coins, bro, you are basically giving your money out to the devs. But when you launch, you control everything, okay? Deving is literally simple. You launch a coin, you wait for buyers, and then when you are satisfied, boom, you cash out for profits. You simply take your position out, and that is how it works. Nowadays, bro, deving is a new meta because it literally costs nothing to create a meme coin on chain. Literally $0. You guys will see into this video. And that is exactly how I built my entire portfolio from zero to fucking hundreds and thousands of dollars, like you guys saw in the intro. Anyways, bro, keep watching because I'm about to show you how to dev your first token and potentially make some profits live on camera right now. Now, when most developers think about deving their first meme coin, the first ever thing that pops up in their fucking head is Pump.Fun. I'm pretty sure almost everyone watching this video knows this launchpad. It is the most popular launchpad, so people assume it is the best, but that's the mistake most devs make. Pump.Fun is completely fucking overflooded. Coins are launching every single second and disappearing just as fast. If you are still deving on Pump.Fun, you are honestly just wasting your time and fucking energy. On top of that, Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool, and they take a cut from your creator fees. You don't fully own your launch. The real goal as a dev is to get your coin onto Raydium, where real traders and real liquidity are resting. And on Pump.Fun, bro, that takes too much time because it needs to reach a $85,000 market cap. This is exactly why I switched to create coins.io to launch all my meme coins, because this launchpad fixes all of that and your tokens launch on Raydium immediately, skipping the bonding curve, so your coin hits real traders instantly and gives you an edge over every other dev on chain. And most importantly, you control 100% of your liquidity. That is why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, here's how to make a meme coin officially on createcoins.io. You can either make a coin or copy it. Now, how you make a coin? Now, first of all, you have to find a good narrative on X, on Reddit, or on Google News. Some people make coins based off of articles, but it's up to you, bro. You can try out anything you want. I'd like to go for tweets, like Elon Musk tweets, Trump tweets, CZ tweets, anything, right? Once you have a good narrative, obviously come back to create coins, add a quick name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin will be custom made. But the copy trending coins feature is actually the most profitable by far, because you are copying coins that are already going viral and trending right now. Now, since these coins are already going viral, that means they have a good narrative and they are proven to attract buyers, so copying them will guarantee you some buyers and some quick profits. Obviously, bro, it's all for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice, but this is exactly how I scaled my entire portfolio from zero to hero. Anyways, I will do a quick example. Anyways, let's move forward and do a quick example on how to copy a coin and then exactly how to print. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, then click on the refresh this button, and now just copy a coin here. I'm honestly going to copy the Lumen coin, bro. I chose it randomly, by the way. If you want to know how I chose it, yeah, I chose this coin randomly. Click on create coin. Then obviously ignore the block / warning from Phantom, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, then confirm, click right here, confirm, and then the coin will be copied in a couple seconds. Just be patient for a bit, okay? Boom, and now go on SoScan, and as you guys can see, bro, it is live on chain, everything is legit. The Lumen coin, everything is here, supply, everything is legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is very simple. We are adding liquidity, my bad. This is what makes your token tradable on Raydium right here. Whoops, right here. So buyers can jump in immediately and trade your token, okay? This page is what Pump.Fun doesn't give us devs the option to create. Now, for the token A, just make sure you tap on 90%. That will basically drop the liquidity inside your token. Right under for the token B, this acts as your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing any SOL, it is just being locked up to open the pool. The minimum is 0.3 Solana and you will get it all back later when the liquidity is removed. Now, I am going to put 0.32 SOL, just a bit more than the minimum just to be safe. Click on create pool. Once again, bro, you are going to get this back. Then click on confirm, and when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button down below, then scroll down and boom, the Lumen coin is on live. Your profits will be right fucking here. And if you click on the refresh button, because obviously your profits will refresh, you guys can see that we are up $130 in USD, which is around 1 SOL nowadays. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. It will show up right here. View on Photon or on Axiom, it's all up to you. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. And then now the coin is live, okay? You guys can see that we have a shit ton of volume right here, okay? People work so fucking hard every single day at a 9 to 5 to make $15, but we are making all of that in a couple seconds. $10, $31, $50, $75. Oh, okay, people are selling, but it's normal. It is going to go back up because more traders are going to start seeing our coin and buying in. I told you guys, $73 buy right after, bro. This is why I highly recommend for you guys to dev, okay? Deving is really fucking good, and it's also really important for the trenches. You need traders and also you need devers, okay? So this is really important. Come on, pump. And it's so profitable. This coin costed us $0 to create, and now we're getting buyers. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 4.2k market cap after a couple minutes, around 5 to 10 minutes. We have a lot of transactions in this coin and a lot of volume. Now I'm pretty sure we might be up a couple $1,000, I'm not sure. Anyways, come back to createcoins.io and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to check your profits. And boom, we are up $1,65000 with a 1.65k liquidity. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money, then just wait. And now as you guys can see, bro, I am going to receive 13.4 SOL. Click on confirm. And bang! That is exactly how you dev meme coins and make some quick generational wealth. Now if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys can see that I just received 13 Solana straight inside my Phantom wallet, which is around $1,65000. Let's fucking go, bro. You guys gotta tap in with createcoins.io because truly, bro, it's really fucking good, and this is how I built my entire portfolio from start to finish.